Are you fishing? Do you like to fish?
Oh, Jack, we got one. Oh, he was. He did.
Oh, so not yet. He's not there anymore.
I think he got away. You gotta do it again.
Where's that?
I don't know. Where did he go? Did he get away with your worm? Yeah?
Oh my God!
Huh?
Oh my God!
I don't know.
Oh, it is. It's about. Where's my recorder? Where's my recorder?
Yeah, reel it in some more. You trying to... Hold on, go, and then you gotta press the button. Ready? Now throw it. You're about as good at this as Mommy is. Good job. That was almost better than Mommy. Yeah.